Hi everybody, here's your explanation for the How Arthur Fought Rome assignment. So before you even start this, you want to make sure that you read the story How Arthur Fought Rome. You're really going to see those connections to the Celts and what we learned about last week. Then I want you to remember the characteristics of a legend. We learned about this last week as well. I promised you it was all going to come back this week, and here it is. So you can also access this handout to help you answer the questions as you go through the chart. So let's go through these questions. Now, as you're going through these questions, you're going to see this column over here. You do not need to mess with this. That is for me, okay? So, questions. Legend. What things from the story sound like they could be historically accurate? What sounds like real history? Character. Who is the main character? Who is the protagonist? What obstacle does the main character overcome? Or what great feat, remarkable deed does the character achieve? Then setting. What is the specific time and place in which the story occurs? Now, I don't need the exact year, but you need to be somewhat on track here. Then plot. I need a direct quote from the story at this point of an example of an intense action or suspense. Then think about that exaggeration. It's a legend, right? So what part of the story could be considered an exaggeration? What seems not so believable? Plot. What is the main character struggling with? What is the specific conflict in the story? And then finally, theme. Write a statement that tells an observation that is being made about people or society or human nature. Then write a couple more sentences to explain how the story reveals this observation. You can use one of these sentence frames if you want to help you begin this. And finally, consider our essential question. Answer this. What might this legend be why might this legend be such an important part of British culture? Why might it matter enough to them to have survived over such a long period of time? All right, so make sure you write in complete sentences, make sure that your answers are accurate, and make sure that you are supporting everything as well. I look forward to seeing your responses. Thank you so much.